Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making stuffed cheesy garlic bread and I'm so excited to make this one with vegan cheese. So let's get started. These are the list of ingredients we would need for activating the yeast. I have also listed them in the description section. So to a bowl, add some warm water and then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar and give it a mix. Make sure that the water is lukewarm and not hot, otherwise the yeast will not get activated. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast to the water and give it a mix. Once everything is mixed well, set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes for the yeast to get activated. Now we'll see the ingredients we would need to make the dough. Take a bigger bowl and add 200 grams of all-purpose flour to it. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste and 4 to 5 grated cloves of garlic. After 15 minutes, the yeast is also activated. Add it to the flour mix. Mix everything and add some dry flour if the mixture is too watery. I have added another 100 grams of flour and I'm going to mix everything. Once you get the proper consistency, start kneading the dough. Knead it till it is really soft. This might take around 15 to 20 minutes if you're doing it by hand. Once the dough is soft, oil the original bowl and then we will knead the dough for 1 more minute. I have used around 2 teaspoons of oil. The dough will get more softer after that. Now we'll start tucking the dough just like this, pulling it from outside to inside. I will just turn it and show you how it will look. Yep, like this. Cover the bowl with a tin or plastic wrap and keep it in a warm place for 2 hours. Meanwhile, let's start with the stuffing and dressing for the stuffed cheese garlic bread. I have taken around 100 grams of vegan cheese and I'm going to grate it. Along with that, I will also grate 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I have also chopped some fresh parsley leaves on the side. To the bowl of grated garlic, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the fresh chopped parsley or coriander leaves. Now mix everything together and the aroma is just amazing. After 2 hours, the dough has doubled in size. I'm going to divide it into 2 parts as we can make 2 sets of stuffed garlic bread with it. Add some dry flour to the dough and start kneading it. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now with the help of your hands, press it down just like this and try to expand it. Add some more flour and start rolling the dough. You don't have to roll it round, just a rough oval shape. Once the dough is rolled out evenly, add the oil, parsley and garlic dressing to it. I'm going to spread it on one side of the dough. Do not use the whole dressing as we will use some towards the end. Spread the grated cheese on top of the dressing. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of oregano. You can add the seasonings as per your choice and even increase and decrease the quantity of seasoning here. Now fold the bread into half just like this and seal it towards the edges. So what I do is after sealing it, I just roll it towards inside just like this. And that way it's locked and it looks pretty. Once sealed, we are going to brush the remaining dressing on top of the bread. So add the dressing just like this, and with the help of a brush, we are going to spread it evenly throughout the bread. This step will enhance the flavor of the garlic bread even more. I'm again sprinkling some more oregano, salt, and red chili powder. Now with the help of a knife, we are going to mark the bread as per each serving size. This will come handy once the bread is cooked. Make sure to oil the baking tray as well. We are going to bake the stuffed cheese garlic bread for about 12 to 15 minutes, and after that it will look something like this. So cut it as per the marking. Enjoy it with some ketchup or barbecue sauce while it's hot. It smells amazing and it looks so good. It is such a perfect evening snack which you can enjoy with your whole family. See how easy it was? So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. If you're still looking for more vegan videos, click right here. I'll be back with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.